All right, today is December 8th, and I am going to go over from what I did on the 6th and the 7th real quick. Let me find, this is the 6th right here, and this was early morning. I was in the trading room with Tradepro Academy, and things were looking like they weren't going to continue to go up to this resistance right here. So I put a sell stop right in here at this low below 46.37. Got filled. I've been using a 10 tick stop on the E-mini YM because usually when it goes strong, if it goes back against your 10 ticks, it's not strong enough. So that's what I've been finding right now. That could change, but anyway, I took the short, and for the day I took out a little over $500, which was a great trading day. Okay, it did make it made a lower low right here and on this side, so it broke the double bottom, and I've learned not to get it back in on those, so I stayed out the rest of the day. So I will find the correlation charts for yesterday, and yesterday was a good trading day too, and let me bring those up in just a second here. Oh, here's something I wanted to add to this. Was Thursday, it was going all through this range right here. And like I said, I did stay out of it, and it kept going down, down, down. And it came up to this point right here. And I was going to get long, and I just said, no, I'm going to stay out of it. And this would have definitely been a great long, though, at this juncture right here. So just something to keep in mind for the future, to go on and risk the 10 ticks and get back in. So I'll bring up the other part right now. All right, so this was yesterday, December 7th. Everything was lining up the same. This is the NASDAQ over here. This is the E-mini ES, and this is the E-mini YM. And the YM and the ES, I really like it when their charts look pretty much the same. This one was close. The NASDAQ was failing, and I saw that happening. I actually sold an ES and a YM at the same time, and I hung on to the YM longer. I was coming back from a loss. That here's lesson learned. I got to still do this. I got in before the market opened, and I got in long right here and got stopped out. So I said, okay, I'll just wait till the market opens, and with the trading room, and it went off long. Got in here, took that short. I think I just took out $100 on this one, on the ES, and I could have held on to that one too, but they both did the same thing. I took out $400 for yesterday. Now here's where another place, though, I did have the market surrounded right here on the YM, and let's see if here's where the YM triggered to go long, and then I had surrounded the market, like I said. I took my 10 tick stop, got short on this side, made back some money, and made my loss back. I think I made $100 on that. So right here, short. So I got got out of that one okay. But here's something I want to point out is the ES never triggered. So that should have been, well, everything was moving so fast. It was no harm, no foul. I got my money back and some. So that was pretty much it. Yesterday it was down day until let's see here. Yeah, it was pretty much down. It just I made my 400 and whatever, and just stayed out. But the main thing I want to bring up is the market was all three markets were working together, and just when that happens and the patterns are the same, and in the trading room everything was going well with the order flow. I think I'm on to something with this order flow with this group. So I like it, and I'll just stick with it and see what happens.